Right, trade with Crazii version 10.4, review of 21st April market. All right, let's go into details. There we go. Okay. Okay, so let's review what happened yesterday and we can learn something today here so that we can actually remember and don't make the main mistake again. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to this and okay, here we go. Okay, so yesterday for Dow Jones was pretty direct. It was below OP, it was below MLP, so you just had to sell. And it didn't go past pivot one. That was a very strong point. Hence, therefore, it was drawn like a magnet towards pivot two at 38,277. That was where we aimed in the day. Then we were all, when the market break below pivot two, I thought that it will really go for this particular number, which is at 37,537. But the market just didn't go up. Okay. Now the boys are selling, the KCX was selling, so everyone was selling. So that's why we stick to the it and we sell. Yeah. The one thing that really made me sell and confidently sell is the diamond here. The diamond was here, right? So by right, the diamond is there. What must you do? You just have to draw a line at the closing price, and you can see that the market really, really tells me that this is a sell signal. So guys, really, okay, if for those who are very, very daring, okay, very daring, what you could have done is that you can sell right here. Okay, it means you can sell just below the line and then put a stop loss just above the line. That this is actually possible. You don't need to wait for it turn red, then you sell. You don't need, and you don't need to wait until it completed red, then you sell here itself. You don't need because the line is the objective. The line itself, as long as below the line, the best thing is this: if you can take some risk, take a sell position first. Then if the bar turns red color, then you can add on more sell position. All clear? You all clear? Plus number two right now. Because some people tell me, Kel, I waited the whole time. I didn't sell until market on yesterday because I waited for it to turn red, then I want to sell. Then because it's so far away, I do the risk management. The stop loss is too far away, so I sell very very small. Now, actually, that's a very wrong thing to do, guys. Let me explain this to you. Yeah. So first of all, you have the diamond already calling for the sell signal over here. Like I say again, by right below the line, you can sell already. Okay, that's first thing first. That's something that I'm, as a creator of this indicator, I'm informing you what you can do. Now, the next thing is this. Let's say now you waited for it to turn red. Then the next day, which is yesterday, then you sell. All right, is there anything wrong to sell and put the stop loss all the way here? Now, you don't need to put the stop loss all the way there because it's a bit ridiculous. All you need to do is this. Since the market has a rule below OP, you can sell and you already have the setup of everything, right? So what you can do is that you can sell right below OP, put a stop loss at the high of the day. That's it. You don't need to put a stop loss all the way here as well. That's too far away. And because of that, your range is get smaller, hence your lot size get bigger, even though your this bullet size is the same. So by doing that, right, you can capture yesterday's market. That's a key here. You don't need to put it all the way to here itself. It's really unnecessary. All right, all clear? All clear, press number three. Because yesterday I have a lot of people telling me that they make very little money yesterday because they feel that the market itself is too far away and then they didn't follow OP rule. All right. So let's look into the market yesterday. You can see very clear once the market traded below OP, there was some point it actually did recover, but once it sold below the line, it's a sell. Occasionally, there was some very strong buy signal, which the market stays above it. And you can see that we have orders. All right. So the main turning point was actually here. When the market turns around, you can see that from the four diamond, it was already minus P2. And then after that, when the market did a very strong reversal candle here, that's where it goes all the way. And once it breaks below KTR minus 3, you notice that there's a blank area here, right? This whole area is a blank. So that's why the market go towards the pivot 2 instead. So here the market sell down, went all the way, and that was where we booked our first profit, right? Then subsequently, so you can see that there were more diamonds coming out, but by right, you just have to continue selling. The recovery was when the market did the first diamond, the market recovered, and then the boys came in. Now the price went down, but the boys came in. It's a very strong divergence. And once the market stays above the line, you can see very beautiful. It stopped exactly at the line. We know that the buying interest has come in, and that's why the market today went up by about 200-300 points, including of what happened yesterday. All right, all clear? So if all clear, press number 4 right now. All right, so this is a bigger picture of the Dow yesterday. So you can see that as long as you have a diamond, just have to draw the line. And if the market reverse, it's a sell. You not initially was a buy first, yeah? So same thing again, right here, I'll draw it properly for you. You can see there's a diamond here. I push it up. So until next diamond, yeah. So at the start, it was a buy. It was above the line, but once you go below the line, it'll be a sell. Can you see that? So this is how powerful this diamond and line is. If the market stays above it, no problem. But if stay below it, the color change from yellow to red, confirm it will be a sell. Yeah. All right. So after that, you can see that is what happened to the Dow. Just keep on coming down. So initially there was some buying, and then after that it turns around, and then the selling had to really cripple the market. Yeah. All right, so this is Nasdaq. I'll skip this Nasdaq. I'll show you the gold price. This gold yesterday. So again, I repeat, a lot of people ask me, Kel, how come your KSI is red while the gold is going up? Are we missing it out? No one. Every day we're calling for buy, or every day we buy on gold. Even today we bought gold. So please do not quote me wrongly. Yeah, the KSI rate doesn't mean that you have to put the sell position. The KSI rate tells you that you need to be careful on the upside, which means that if you're buying, reduce quantity. If you're buying, then aim at every potential technical level, but it doesn't equate to cannot buy or must short. All clear? If all clear, press number 5. Because it's still people murmuring about this because KSI is red, I must sell. I have never had such a thing for you guys, okay? All right, because sometimes you all maybe listen to some seniors that have been with me for some time, and they may pass some interesting information to you because of whatever reason. But the thing is this, the fact is that I am a creator of this indicator, so I'm informing you, do not see the KSI on its own. Buy when you're supposed to buy. If the KSI is not with you, then reduce accordingly. Yeah, very, very important. Okay, so let's look at the gold price yesterday. Look at it. Oh my God, the moment it basically start the day itself, right? You can see that the gold price just escalated. So at the start of the day, boom, KTR plus 1 was given, boom, plus 2 was given, boom, plus 3 was given, and throughout the point, there was no diamond. So a student asked me, Cal, got no diamond, how to trade? I said, huh? What do you mean by no diamond cannot trade? By right itself, the rule, OP rule, what? Above OP can buy what? CCRY, what? You don't need the diamond, guys. You don't need. If the diamond is there, then good for you. But if it's not there, then it's continue as per normal. So there was a diamond here, and you can see that it was beautiful. The market stays below the line, and it came down to KTR plus 3 because that's the nearest technical point. Then after that, you can see the boys had to come in to buy. The KCX retreated, and then there was a diamond here. If you draw the line properly, you will see it's a very good trade here. And then after that, boom, the price went up. Okay, so this is a very typical thing when I see the line being triggered, the diamond line get triggered and recover. It's a very, very strong buy. Then subsequently itself, you have more such thing happening, and then after that, we can see that the money really, really goes according to plan. Okay, so that is what happened for gold as of this yesterday. Yeah, so you just have to follow through and then trade accordingly, and that's what we want. So this is a bigger picture of how the gold looks like, and we have seen it before. So same thing again, just waiting and looking forward for movement here. Okay. All right. So basically, that will come to the end of today's revision. I hope you enjoyed the session. Now, will we have a Super Tuesday today? Yes, we will have. We'll revise something interesting. All right, guys, that will be all for today. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best for your trading later.